Okay, so what I want to do in the centers is just squeeze and then pull straight out for the centers, just like that. You can pick a different color if you want, like a yellow, or I kind of want to just keep with the same colors of the cake. And you could also do these centers ahead of time if you are doing royal icing. You could also do them in buttercream. Doesn't have to be royal. This is a tip number 3 that I'm using. And notice if I'm not close enough, then the icing doesn't stick to the flower, especially since it has the petal dust on there. Okay, so there's that side with the fondant flower. Still fairly easy to do. My royal icing border has seemed to have stopped. Like I said, it looks pretty cool, but that's there's no way I'd ever be able to do that again. Okay, other side, buttercream version. Same thing, because we started with buttercream, right? So we're going to come up here, continue, come down onto the board. Okay, now for the buttercream version, I have a tip number 104, which is a rose tip. Place it in the bag. Take 2 colors of buttercream. This one is like a raspberry color, which was made with purple and red. And then just white. Oops, stuck my finger right in that. Just stir it up a little bit so you don't have too many air bubbles in it. And then what I do is I line the bag. If I want this raspberry color to come out where the tip of the flower or the edge of the flower is, then I need to place it in the bag where the thin end of the tip is. And let me get it in here and then show you what I mean. Okay, so here's the thinner end of the tip, the wider one's back here. And then squeeze it together till it comes out the way you want it to. Should be a variation of color. Sometimes you need to adjust the tip, but there it goes. See how it's lighter in the center and darker on the edge? Okay, 4-petaled flower. So over here you take it and you squeeze, you move the tip out, halfway back in, and then back out. It's kind of like doing our the primrose flower if you've done that, only less petals. Squeeze, move the tip up, halfway down, back up, and I'm turning the cake as I do that. Up, back, into the center. Okay? Here, same thing, up, back, do, 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 do.